If you're getting $1,200 to $1,500 per vehicle on your back end as a finance manager, you're underperforming and you're doing yourself and your dealership a disservice. Now, a lot of times you'll dive into learning and development and trying to learn new skills in finance office, and that's all great. But unless you understand exactly where you're underperforming, you don't know what to fix. We have to diagnose the problem before we can find a solution. So we created this free tool to help you identify those gaps in your performance and what you can focus on to improve your per vehicle revenue. Let's check it out. All right, finance managers, we've created this tool to help you see how you rank against top performing finance managers. All you need is just your numbers. If you're not managing right now, start managing. For now, let's just use my numbers. Really easy. Come in here. In the first box, put in your current PVR. As I mentioned, on average, finance managers still running about $1,500 per vehicle. You can put in how many deals a month you are doing. I'm gonna put 60. F&I managers, 1. So this is designed for a finance director if you're trying to identify your team's performance gap. If you have multiple finance managers, just put 2 or 3. For now, I'm just gonna use 1. As you can see, we have all these products that a typical dealership offers in their organization. And for service agreement, let's say you're doing 60% warranty penetration. Gap, you're running at about 25%. Credit, life, and disability, around 10%. And rather than wasting your time, I just pre-filled the rest of the form. But you decide what products you have in your organization and what your penetration, and just load those numbers. If you're not offering this product, just leave it blank. The only thing that's left, hit run my diagnostic. So as you can see, your average is $1,500. However, live-ready finance managers are performing at $2,600 plus. Now, you can see that current revenue that you generate for your dealership is $90,000. However, if you can improve your penetration and your per vehicle revenue, this will bump it up to $162,000, and this will have an annual impact of $864,000. More importantly, if you keep scrolling down, it will give you your first, your second, and your third priority to help you identify the first things you need to focus on to improve your per vehicle revenue and how you stack up against top performing finance managers. Now you know that there's a tool to help you stack rank yourself against top performing finance managers. But unless you take action, click on a link below, you still won't know. So click on a link, put your numbers in, and see how you do. Once you identify those gaps, we can help you solve how you can improve in those gaps and see if you can make an improvement in your per vehicle revenue. Follow us, subscribe, and we'll be putting out more content to help you fix the how. Thanks.